Welcome to our channel. Let's dive right into how to activate Amazon Prime Video on your Fire Stick. In just a few simple steps, welcome to our channel. In today's guide, we will walk you through every step needed to activate Amazon Prime Video on your Fire Stick device seamlessly. First, make sure your Fire Stick is connected to your TV and powered on using your Fire Stick. Remote navigate to the home screen. Once there, look for the search icon, generally located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, use the on-screen keyboard to type Prime Video and select the official Amazon Prime Video app from the search results. After selecting the app, choose the Get or Download button to install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app to begin the activation process. On opening the app, you will be prompted with a sign-in screen. If you already have an Amazon Prime account, enter your login details. If you do not have an account, you can create one directly on the Amazon website using a web browser on your phone or computer. Go to the activation URL displayed on your TV screen. You will see a unique code displayed on the TV. Enter this code exactly as shown on the activation website. Then sign in to your Amazon account to link your Fire Stick to your Prime Video subscription. Once the device is successfully registered, the app will automatically refresh, showing all available Prime Video content. Now you can start browsing movies, TV shows, and exclusive Amazon originals directly from your Fire Stick. For an enhanced experience, consider adjusting video quality settings and exploring subtitle options in the app menu. This simple setup process takes just a few minutes and opens up a world of entertainment available on demand anytime you want. Enjoy your streaming journey with Amazon Prime Video on Fire Stick and never miss out on your favorite shows and movies.